Welcome to Bike Insider. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most popular and versatile sports bikes on the market, the KTM RC 3090. Known for its aggressive styling, impressive performance, and rider-friendly handling, this bike has been a favorite among both beginners and experienced riders. Whether you're looking for a commuter bike with a thrilling edge or a machine to sharpen your track skills, the RC 3090 offers a balanced blend of power and control. Let's explore what makes this bike so special. Design and styling. The KTM RC 390's design language screams ready to race. With its sharp lines, aggressive front fascia, and bold color schemes, it captures the essence of a true sport bike. The twin LED headlights flanked by aerodynamic fairings give the bike a futuristic look, while the full-fared bodywork enhances its sportiness. The sleek tail section, angular mirrors, and alloy wheels add to its aesthetic appeal, making it look fast even when it's standing still. The ergonomics of the RC 390 are designed for an aggressive riding posture, yet it remains comfortable enough for longer rides. The clip-on handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, and slightly leaned-forward seating position help the rider feel connected to the road, offering more precise handling. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KTM RC 3090 lies a potent 373cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. Producing around 43 horsepower and 37 pm at torque, the bike is both nimble and powerful. The lightweight chassis, combined with this punchy engine, gives the RC 3090 exceptional acceleration and a top speed of around 170 km/h. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, allowing for quick shifts that complement the bike's sporty character. What sets the RC 390 apart is its strong mid-range torque, making it a fun ride for both city commuting and weekend adventures. It handles beautifully on twisty roads thanks to its lightweight frame and precise handling dynamics, which make it an ideal choice for beginner track riders as well. Chassis, suspension, and brakes. The RC 390's lightweight trellis frame is designed to offer excellent stability and precision. Its front suspension consists of a 43 mm WP Apex USD fork, while the rear gets a WP Apex monoshock. Both offer a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, soaking up bumps on city streets but also providing a firm, responsive ride on the track.